Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best glass seed products that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking to repair bare spots, grow a lush new lawn, or just improve the health of your current one, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the GrowTrax biodegradable grass seed. This budget-friendly option is perfect for anyone looking for a quick and convenient way to repair dog patches, fill in bare spots, or establish small lawns. Its rollout mat design combines grass seed, fertilizer, and mulch all in one, making it incredibly easy to use. Just roll it out, water it, and let it work its magic. It's also biodegradable, meaning it won't leave any waste behind once the grass grows in. While the concept is innovative and the product is lightweight, the performance can be a bit inconsistent. Some users report fast germination and thick growth, while others note patchy results, especially in extreme weather conditions. It's best suited for smaller areas and for homeowners who want a low-maintenance, eco-friendly option. At $24.97, it's the most affordable choice on this list, but it does come with some compromises in terms of durability and overall coverage. In summary, the GrowTrax is an excellent choice for quick fixes and budget-conscious buyers. However, if you're looking for a long-term solution for larger lawns, you may want to explore the other options on this list. Pros include its affordability and ease of use, but cons include limited coverage and mixed results in challenging conditions. At number 4, we have the Jonathan Green Black Beauty Patcher Lawn Bare Spot Repair. This product is designed specifically for those annoying bare spots in your yard, whether caused by pets, heavy foot traffic, or other damage. The all-in-one formula includes grass seed, fertilizer, and coir mulch, which helps retain moisture and ensures thorough germination. It's a low-maintenance solution that blends seamlessly with existing cool-season lawns. What sets this product apart is the quality of its seed mixture, which includes tall fescue, perennial rye, and Kentucky bluegrass. These varieties are known for their durability and ability to thrive in both sun and shade. The coir mulch expands to improve seed-to-soil contact, and there's no need to remove it after the grass has grown. However, its limited coverage of 130 square feet means it's better suited for targeted repairs rather than large-scale projects. If you're looking for a reliable and low-effort solution to repair small patches in your lawn, the Black Beauty Patcher is a solid choice. Pros include its ease of use and high-quality seed blend, while cons include its limited coverage and slightly higher price point for the quantity provided. Coming in at number 3 is the O.M. Scott & Sons Tall Fescue Blend Grass Seed. Scott's has long been a trusted name in lawn care, and this product lives up to its reputation. This 3-in-1 solution combines grass seed, fertilizer, and a soil improver, making it ideal for creating a lush, resilient lawn. It's designed for northern and transition region lawns and provides coverage for up to 2,000 square feet, making it a great option for medium to large yards. This product stands out for its ability to naturally crowd out weeds thanks to the dense growth of tall fescue. It's also pet-friendly and free from artificial ingredients, making it a safe choice for households with kids and pets. The recyclable packaging is a nice eco-conscious touch. While it does require daily watering for about 3 weeks, the results are well worth the effort. However, some users have noted that it can struggle in areas with heavy shade or poor soil quality. Overall, the Scott's Tall Fescue Blend is an excellent mid-range option for homeowners who want a dependable, high-quality product. Pros include its broad coverage and weed resistance, while cons are its higher maintenance requirements and sensitivity to soil conditions. At number 2, we have the Jonathan Green Black Beauty Fall Magic Grass Seed. This product is specially formulated for fall seeding, making it perfect for homeowners looking to repair summer damage or prepare their lawns for winter. The seed blend includes tall and fine fescues, Kentucky bluegrass, and perennial rye, providing a dense, dark green lawn that thrives in both sunny and shady conditions. What we really like about Fall Magic is its versatility. It can be used for both overseeding and starting new lawns, with coverage of up to 3,500 square feet for overseeding. Germination takes just 10 to 14 days, and the resulting turf is not only attractive, but also highly resistant to wear and tear. However, it's worth noting that this product is optimized for fall planting, so its performance might not be as strong during other seasons. If you're planning a fall seeding project, the Black Beauty Fall Magic is a fantastic choice. Pros include its quick germination, excellent coverage, and ability to thrive in variable light conditions. The only con is its season-specific formulation, which limits its use to certain times of the year. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.